So today I decided to film and show you guys how I make that ponytail happen, that very sleek ponytail happen. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kuskus. So today in this video I want to show you guys how I do my ponytail with my very short natural hair. I'm not gonna wait so much time. So why I want to do this is because so many people keep asking me, how do you do it? my hair is short, not like very short, but it's short and it's very stubborn, but I always find a way to get it to like slick it down and make it in a cute ponytail style. So I'm just going to show you guys what I use. But before I do that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're yet to do so, and don't forget to like my videos if you learn something from them. First of all, I have my let me start from the beginning, like what you need from scratch. You will need water. You will need water to wet your hair. You will need a leave-in conditioner. Whatever leave-in conditioner you use is fine, just to make the hair soft. You will need hair gel, hair styling gel. So this is my eco styling gel. Any gel at all is fine, like any styling gel for natural hair is fine. And then you will need, depending on how sleek you want your hair to be, you will need a very strong gel, like max hold. And because my hair is very stubborn, I usually use very strong holds, like very strong gels. But when I run out of them, I can use whatever gel I like, but I know that that one will not really be sleek. But if you want it to really lie down, then you will need a max hold gel. And I've been using this Moco Gorilla Snot Gel. I've used it since like 2 years now and all of that. This gel is very strong, but you need to know how to use it. And I also got this Got2b glue gel recently. I've not used it before, but I hear it's very strong. So for screaming hold, water resistant spiking glue for screaming hold. I don't know if I want to use this today, but maybe, I don't know, depending on how it goes, I might try, but I might just stick to what I know, simply because I want to show you guys how I do it. But let's see how it goes. You will need your hair extension, as the case may be. Any extension you have is fine. You will need a brush. You will need big comb, white tooth comb, and a small comb. What do you call this comb again? Tooth. What do you call this comb? How is it that I just forgot? Jesus. Small comb. Let's move. And then hairpins. You need lots of hairpins. Not like lots. You need a few hairpins, and you will need like a scarf so that you can use to wrap it. Most times, or sometimes, I do it overnight. I style my hair, like I make it lie, I tie it up, and then I go to bed, and then when I come back I use it to go out. But I'm not gonna do that today because I have other things to do. Like I want to go out, so I want to use the hair. So that's why I'm just gonna do it, and then you guys are gonna see. And normally you will need a band to use to like hold your hair, but I don't have a band right now. So I'm gonna use this to tie my hair. Please don't laugh. Don't laugh. Okay, so the thing is, this style is actually very messy because, like you see it already, I had parted my hair like this for like 3 days. So I'm going to have to wet it with water and then use the gel and everything. So it's going to be sometimes it can be very messy if you're not careful. So I don't want to do it on my bed, obviously. I'll just go towards where my mirror is to do it so you guys can see. Don't go away. If you really want to see how it goes, stay tuned. Don't go away. Like this video, subscribe to this channel if you're yet to do so, and let's go.
So I'll quickly just lose my hair now. This hairstyle, I usually make it is my protective hairstyle, so I just use it to seal any oils or treatment I must have put in the hair after washing. I'm going to quickly lose my hair and detangle it, and then I'm going to spray some water because the hair is dry. If your hair is wet, you wouldn't need to sprinkle water or you wouldn't need to spray it, but because the hair is a bit dry, I'm going to spray some water to make sure that it is wet and pliable. That's what I'm doing right now, to make sure that the water goes around the hair. Then I'm going to quickly just comb it out with a white tooth comb to detangle every part of the hair. So I'm just going to quickly just comb it gently and carefully to make sure that every part of it is detangled. And then I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner ensures that the hair is soft. I'm just going to take it one part at a time and using my hand to ensure that the leave-in conditioner goes around the entire hair so that every part of it can be soft. That's what I'm doing right now. The thing is, you just have to be patient with this process because it takes some time. Guys, I told you that my hair is very stubborn. Apparently it broke the comb. It broke the white tooth comb because it was a bit dry. So I'm just combing it now to make sure that everywhere is detangled. Make sure that the leave-in conditioner goes round so that the process can be easy for you. Then I'm going to go in with my Eco Styling Gel. The purpose of this gel is to saturate the entire hair because the hair is small. If you have a long natural hair, you may actually bypass this step, or better still, the Eco Styling Gel will be enough for you to do your slick ponytail. But because I have a bit short hair, I'm using the Eco Styling Gel to saturate the entire hair. If you guys notice, I didn't do everything at the same time. I took one step at a time. Then I'm going in with the brush to ensure that I evenly distribute the Eco Styling Gel to the entire hair and also to help to detangle. You just always have to detangle this your hair and make sure that the entire gel goes round. I'm just going to quickly part it properly because I need a center parting for this hairstyle. So right now the Eco Styling Gel is all of through evenly distributed in my hair, and I'm just going to comb it out, brush it out, and ensure that they are all properly distributed. Then I'll just use my hand to hold it and then use the band I told you guys about to just tie the hair. I think this process is actually better than if I was using a hairband because probably it would have scattered. So I'm just making sure that the hair is properly laid because you always need to be careful at every point in time. That's why I'm using the brush to properly lay it down. Like I said, if you don't have a stubborn hair, you may not need that. Contemplating which gel I should actually use, I ended up using the Got to Be glue because I was just curious. I just bought it. I never used it before. I thought I should try it out. I was just curious, but normally I just always use my Gorilla Snot gel because I'm used to it. So this was like a new or first time for me using the Got to Be glue gel, and yeah, that was it. It was kind of new. It wasn't as sticky as so guys, the Gorilla Snot gel is actually really sticky, so you have to get used to that. It's very sticky, but this particular one, the Got to Be glue gel, was not sticky. But you know, you just have to make sure that you lay the hair with your hands. I was not satisfied with the Got to Be glue gel, so I had to add my Gorilla Snot gel based on the fact that I'm just used to it. But you can use either one, don't mind me. I was just being overzealous. But the thing is, make sure you use your hands to distribute the gel evenly across your hair, and then you're going to use a scarf to tie your hair very tightly. You have to tie your hair to secure it, and that's it. You have to tie it. That's my law school scarf actually. And then this is like just for double protection, properly tying the hair so that it's covered and it gets dry quickly because I don't have time.
Okay, so guys, I'm done with my makeup and I'm ready to go out, so I'll just show you guys how I quickly install it. Whenever I get to tie my hair like this, sometimes I finish with headaches and all of that. So while I was making up, the stuff was shifting on the hair tie was shifting behind, and you know, the edges, I think water touched it or something when I was washing my face and all of that. Yeah, so let's see. Ta-da! It's not dry though. It's not dry. Oh, that's why I didn't want to use that Gorilla, because that Gorilla gel doesn't dry so fast.
Unfortunately, the got2b glue left whitish marks on my hair. This usually doesn't happen with the Gorilla Snot gel.
But if you do this and you go to bed at night, by the time you wake up, man, it's going to be so hard. And another thing is, some people, when they use the silk hair tie on their head, they use a blow dryer to dry it. I think that works as well. I didn't feel like using a blow dryer on my hair, but I think this will be okay for what I want to do today. So I will just go ahead. I have my extension here. I'll just go ahead and install it. I don't know how I'm going to turn my back for you guys to see, but then I'm sure you can. So this, and then you just pull the strap together and you know, put it around. So normally, sometimes I leave it like this. I just use a strand to wrap it around. I leave it like this. But lately, I don't think I want to carry something so big behind. So what I normally... Do you think I should leave it like this? I should leave it like this a bit. I wanted to wrap it. Okay, I think I would either leave it like this or wrap it, depending. But let me show you guys. If you want to leave it like this is what you do to make it neat, because you don't want to be walking around with, let me see, you do this, you just use it to wrap the edge. You just use it to wrap the edge, and what you do is you use a bob pin to hold it inside so that it will be strong. If not, if you don't hold it, you'll be on the road and you're going and your extension is somewhere else because of the air, the breeze and everything. So you use bobby pin to hold it. That is what it looks like, and all of that. So other times what I do, depending on how I feel, I like to wrap it all around to make it look, when you wrap it, well, it depends on how you like it. Sometimes I just like to wrap it. Okay, you still have to use bobby pin, but you know, this is what it looks like when you wrap it, depending on how you like it. So now, do you want me to fly it or wrap it?
It looks nice when wrapped.
Wrapped, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to leave it wrapped. So because I'm leaving it wrapped, I'm going to use the pin, the bobby pin again, just to hold it tight so that no matter what I do, it will not fall off. So you guys, that's it. I gotta go. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and then just to be extra, you can add some pins. Just to be extra. Hey, see? I should have just left it like that too. Because it's not dried. Because I already added here. Let me just put my add here. It's not a big deal. But you can go without the pins. So basically that is it. And to hold the edges, extra hold, I use edge control. This edge controller, if you don't use it very little, you start seeing whitish stuff on your head. So I use it very little, just to hold the stubborn edges here. They don't last all day, but at least if you want to take pictures, they will last you for those moments. And yeah, basically. So guys, let me know if you enjoyed this video, and if you're gonna do this hairstyle. It's always very nice. Like, it's actually very nice. How have I been sitting, Lord? Ha. Okay, whatever. So that's it guys. And if I had covered my hair all night, it would have been very dried. Maybe I'll show you guys what it looks like tomorrow so that you can see. Thank you for staying tuned. I gotta go. Sarah's waiting for me. I have to go. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel for more interesting content, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.